Good morning, children. Now I am taking English. Okay, children. If you have got textbook, all of you have got textbook, no, children. So open your textbook, English textbook, and open page number 1, Unit 1, Prose. Lesson name is Jambu of Indian Cricket, Anil Kumble. Okay, children. So in that page, they are given some questions about kabaddi. Okay, children. Do you know about kabaddi, children? Okay, if you know, you say they are given some questions. Okay, answer to this question, children. First question is kabaddi a team game? Yes, kabaddi is a, answer is kabaddi is a team game. Okay, children, answer is kabaddi is a team game. Second question, they are given how many players are there in each team. So how many players you do know, children? So there will be 2 teams. In the 2 teams, 7 players will be there. Okay, children. So third one, what does kabaddi mean? So what does kabaddi mean, children? Kabaddi means holding the breath. Okay, children, kabaddi means holding the breath. So next fourth one, what is the duration of kabaddi game, children? So the duration of kabaddi game is, it is played for 40 minutes with a 5 minutes half time break. So 40 minutes with a 5-minute half time break. Okay, children. Next question, do women also play this game? Yes, women also play this game. Okay, children. Next, sixth one, what is Hututu and Ha-do-do? So in Western India, for this kabaddi, kabaddi game is, so for that one, we will say it as Hututu, and in Eastern India, we will say it as Ha-do-do. Okay, children? Now, listening passage before the reading of prose lesson on Kumble. Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a team game. 2 teams with 7 players each occupy opposite halves of a field. The first team sends a member known as the raider to the other half of the field to attack. Okay, children, this kabaddi is a team game. So in this kabaddi there will be 2 teams. So 7 players will be there and they will occupy half of the field. Okay, children. So in the first team, they will send one member. The member is known as a raider. Okay, they will send to the other half of the field to play there, to attack that field second team members. This person has to keep saying kabaddi, kabaddi all the time, holding the breath, and try to win points for his team by touching or pulling members of the opposite team and getting them out. So this person called raider, when they are going, they must be saying kabaddi, kabaddi. They will be saying, they want to be saying kabaddi, kabaddi, and they want to try to win the points. By what? By touching or pulling the members of the opposite side, and they want to get out. The team on the other side tries to form a chain and catch the raider to get a point for the other team. So when this first team, that raider comes to the second team on the other side, they will form a chain, they will form in circle, and they will try to catch that raider to get a point for that team. Okay, children? Next, then try to stop the raider from going to the home side before taking the breath. So they will try to stop that raider before going to their home and before taking a breath. This is a very exciting game. So this Kabaddi is a very exciting game. Kabaddi is derived from a Hindi and Punjabi word meaning holding the breath. So this Kabaddi is derived from Hindi and Punjabi. So word meaning is Kabaddi meaning is holding the breath. ಅಂದರೆ ಉಸಿರು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಉಸಿರು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. In Western India, the game is known as who to two. So, in the western parts of India, for this game, they'll say who to two. In Eastern India, it is also known as ha do do. So, in Eastern India, they call it as ha do do. And the game is played for 40 minutes with a 5-minute half-time break. Both men and women play this game. So, this game is played for 40 minutes and there will be 5 minutes half-time break. So, both men and women will play this game. Okay, children? So, these are about Kabaddi. Okay, children? Next. Now, how many of you play cricket? Now, let me study about cricket. Okay, children? Have you heard about cricket, children? Have you played? Yes, here is a lesson about cricket. And the name player, the name of the player is Anil Kumble. You have listened or heard about Anil Kumble. You have seen in the TV also. The Anil Kumble will be playing cricket. Okay, children. Now let me study about cricket about Anil Kumble. Now, how many of you have played cricket? Have you heard of Anil Kumble? He created history by taking all 10 wickets in an innings. He is a living legend. So, this Anil Kumble is a player of cricket and he has taken 10 wickets. Okay, children, in an innings. Now, let us read. Jambu of Indian cricket, Anil Kumble. So, this Anil Kumble is called as a Jambu of Indian cricket. Anil Kumble was born on October 17, 1917, Bengaluru. So, he was born in Bengaluru in the month of October 17 and in the year 1970. He began playing cricket in the streets of Baswangudi in Bengaluru. So, he was living in Baswangudi and he was playing the cricket in the street. Street means ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ರೋಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಅವನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನು ಆಟಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ? ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್. ಲೇಟರ್ he joined the Young Cricketers Club. He started playing first class cricket in 1989. He is also a qualified mechanical engineer. So, he was playing the cricket in the street in Baswangudi. So, later he joined to the Young Cricketers Club and he started playing first class cricket in 1989 and he studied up to mechanical engineer. Anil began playing test matches in 1990. So, he was playing test match in the year 1990 in the match against England. So, against England he was playing matches. He took 3 wickets in 43 overs with 7 maiden overs. So, against England he took 3 wickets in 43 overs with 7 maiden overs. He has taken 619 test wickets. So, he has taken 619 test wickets, the third largest in test history. So, in the third largest test history has taken 619 test wickets. Okay, children. In 1999, Kumble set a new record by taking all 10 wickets in single innings while playing against Pakistan. So in the year 1099, this Anil Kumble, he got a new record by taking all 10 wickets in a single innings. With whom? With against Pakistan. They were playing against Pakistan. In that cricket, in that game, the Anil Kumble got a new record, that is 10 wickets in a single innings. He is the first Indian cricketer to achieve this, and he was the first Indian cricketer to take this new record. He has been honored with Arjuna Award and the Padma Shri by the Government of India. So, the Government of India has honored for him the award that like Arjuna Award and Padma Shri. These were the two awards given by the Government of India. The Government of Karnataka has honored him by naming a roundabout in Bengaluru as the Anil Kumble Circle. So, you have heard that Anil Kumble Circle, no children? So, this name were given by the Government of Karnataka. They honored him and they given the name. This Government of Karnataka has honored and given the name around in the Bengaluru as Anil Kumble Circle. Anil Kumble served as a captain of the Indian Test team before he retired. He lives in Bengaluru with his wife Chetana and their 3 children. So, before retiring, he served as a captain of Indian Test team and he got retired afterwards. So, he lives in Bengaluru with his wife Chetana and 3 children. Okay, children? Any doubt? Now, new words. First class. In first class cricket means, in simple words, it means a match played between 2 states or 2 countries. So, that is called first class cricket. Second, roundabout. A place where 2 or more roads meet round a central point. A place where 2 or more roads meet round a central point. This one we will call it as roundabout. So, once again, I'll repeat. So, Anil Kumble was born on October 17, year 1970 in Bengaluru, and he started playing cricket in the streets of Baswannagudi in Bengaluru. Later, he joined to Young Cricketers Club and he started playing first class cricket in the year 1989 and he studied up to mechanical engineer. So, Anil began playing test matches in 1990 and against England. There he took 3 wickets in 43 overs with 7 maiden overs. So, in the third largest test history, it has taken 619 test wickets. So, in 1999, he set a new record by taking 10 wickets in single innings. Okay, he has taken 10 wickets in single innings against Pakistan and he is the first Indian cricketer to achieve this new record. And the Government of India has honored him with the Arjuna Award and Padma Shri Award. Next, Government of Karnataka has also honored him by naming a roundabout, means that is a place where 2 or more roads meet. They given the name as Anil Kumble Circle. Anil Kumble has served as a captain of India before retiring and he lives in Bengaluru with his wife Chetana and their 3 children. Okay, children, any doubt? I think you could have understood this. Okay, children, In the next class, I'll explain you and give the notes. I'll continue and give the notes. Okay, children? Thank you.